Alright guys, so eventually I was able to open it, and you just have to pull really hard like this, and it opens up like that. Not a huge fan of this. I wish they had like one of those zippers on these things, because yeah, that's just better. But at least we have antennas. This antenna is making a funny sound. I hope it's this that's making the sound. Maybe it is. Okay. If that's the case, hopefully the antenna will work and it was not smashed during travel. But look, you get one of these antennas like that, and you also get the funny mushroom-shaped antenna like this. So yeah, wow, you get 3 antennas for the price of 1. I don't know, for the price of 2. Who knows? This was about 70 bucks, all included, with the charger for the internal battery and the cable to connect to your TV.
Likey.